Lovelies, welcome to the Productive Girl. Today's video is about my new desk. Okay, Lovelies. Since I don't have a proper desk, and there is this one space in my home where I just have miscellaneous things, so I thought I can try to convert it to my desk space so that I can have something to sit and work on. Something is better than nothing. So first I need to clean this space up. So this is how it looks. Actually, I tried to spray paint this space, but it is just not sticking to it. So I just thought, let me just use it as it is. Then above this space, there is a huge shelf in which I want to store my books, stationery and everything. I cleaned and cleared out everything, and now I'm going to be cleaning my stationery, like decluttering, cleaning and organizing it so that I can have the pens and stationery that I really use, not is just lying around somewhere. I've categorized into these baskets that I have, like electronic and tech related stuff and other stationeries and everything. Let's quickly declutter, clean and organize everything. Okay guys, this is how the space looks. I just decluttered, cleaned and organized the stationery. So I have this medical box in which I just store some extra stationery that I won't be needing every day, but I may need it sometime. I've arranged all the pens in the coffee mugs and the watch box and everything. I just utilized those boxes and organized my pens. And in the baskets, I've arranged all the tech related stuff, headset and everything. And I have sticky notes. I just love this organization. It turned out so good. Now let's come to the upper part. Now I have a plan of keeping books and notebooks. Let's see. So I have this box. This is the planner box from Archetype that I got for the 2021 planner, and I'm keeping all my to-do list notepads in there. I totally love to-do list notepad. I use it every day. Then I arranged all my different planners and notebooks and journals that I will use every day. These are the things that I might need every day. So I have all the planners and notebooks, journals and everything. Currently using multiple planners, so I have multiple planners in this, and I have some notebooks in which I journal or use for YouTube stuff and everything. And I've kept my tech category here, and I have the tall weekly/daily planner at the behind from Simba Lifestyle. I purposefully added at the corner in order to see that quote whenever I pick any notebook or planner, in order to serve as a gentle reminder that stress is desert spelled backwards. I really like that quote and it's so aesthetic, so I just put it at the corner. Now we have this much space, and we have separated with the wooden thing so that we can store more things and make use of the horizontal space. So I'm going to be keeping all the notebooks. So I've arranged everything. So these are the notebooks, and as you guys can see, everything is spiral, and I just love this section because I love spiral notebooks. The other notebooks of college and old notebooks, I just love to collect notebooks and I have a lot of them. So I just arranged everything. Let me know if you guys want a notebook collection video. It's time to organize my candles. I somewhat have a little collection of candles as well. I like to burn them while I work or while I study. It just gives a calm vibes to my space. So I just thought I should organize it well so that I can pick the right candle when I need it. I've organized all the candles, and now the top part is over. Now coming to the bottom, I'm thinking of having all my books there. So let's organize it.